Pagsaya mo, try ko makalaan.
So guys, namadari sa building sa Royal Pacific Hotel. Royal Pacific
Namong
Hotel.
bahaw na ni. Among munggos, ba na, tunaw na.
Papa na mong munggos guys.
Ay, namong munggos diyan.
Mita na may tae. Sa Shop Tower to from left. So dami. So we need to so anong tower so soft coffee. Soft yes. Sa baba. Mamaya te, magbaba ta. Aribis dolphin. So there's a dolphin. There's a dolphin. Yeah. The dolphin seaside. So there is the force, the Royal Pacific. This is it. That's it. Ano friend, ang sabing bilog-bilog?
Tinanggal na yung design. Nakuha na mo sa dito.
So there's a dolphin, guys. So can you sit down there and I take picture with you? Okay. No, this is not picture. This is Beju. I'm so sorry, darling. So you need to go at the dolphin side. So I need to do like, hello, this is my friend Becky. This is my ate. So nice kayong view there, guys. Nice kayo. So it's the dolphin show. And there's the dagat ocean. So nice na siya. Fun seat. Nice kayo siya, guys. Kawain na siya. So take picture siya. So nice. Nice kayo.
Wala na kako ito.
Kawa na.
Ganda, may mirror.
Dito din mo. So nice kayo siya. So this is fun seat. So ano siya, guys. Nice kayo ang view, guys.